Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Flex in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power with great fuel efficiency as well. And with all-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. And sitting on some nice Montegi racing rims, which look pretty nice in the sunlight. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you have a nice power liftgate that opens up for you, and looking in the back where you have a ton of space, or you can have your third row of seats which have power folding here, so they'll fold up for you very nicely. Full leather interior as well. Do also have their own cup holders and compartments here, as you can probably see, and a 12-volt power outlet back here. And then you do still have a good amount of room even with the seats folded up, and they can actually be folded backwards for sitting and looking out your tailgate like so. If you want to go to a drive-in movie, certainly an excellent choice. But then this does close again with the simple press of a button. And now looking into the second row, where you have 3 more seats for a total of seating for 7 in this vehicle. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as their own climate controls back here, with a 110-volt, 12-volt, and 2 more cup holders, and a storage compartment right here, so that's pretty nice too. Fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle as well. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power folding mirrors, and adjustable, of course, power locks and power windows. And looking in, you have a fully power adjustable driver's seat with 2 memory buttons for your driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. So now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 30,200 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your hands-free phone radio controls, as well as the controls for your right screen, where you can go through your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And on the left hand side, where you have your cruise control controls with a measurable gap between the vehicle ahead of you, which is pretty nice too. And then you can also change what is displayed here, such as RPMs with transmission temperature, digital speedometer, distance to empty, just RPMs, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 stats, fuel economy, and driver assist settings, as well as general settings for features around your vehicle or your screen setup. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual climate up front, heated steering wheel, and heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can really customize your comfort no matter the weather or climate. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. You do also have your dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something. But then moving on from that, you have your physical media and climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. Below that, you have a compartment here, as well as your park assist, this is your parallel park assist, so it will search for spots and then help you park your vehicle. But then you have your main shifter with select shift on these on the wheel with these paddle shifters, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. Has a 12-volt and 2 USBs inside, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you do actually also have a hidden 12-volt right here for your front passenger. And then last but not least, you do also have a nice panoramic sunroof, I believe, with it going all the way back there. All those shades can be closed and opened manually by your passengers as they like, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.